Hey guys, how are you doing today? I'm so excited because I have some new woods in that I'll be cooking with in the next coming weeks. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I want to know, what do you want me to cook with these different types of woods? All right, so I'll show it to you in a second. I'm excited to show it to you, but let's have this conversation first. All right, so I'm going to show you the woods. You comment down below and say, hey, I'm curious to find out how would this wood taste with this type of meat or vegetable, whatever it is. All right, so let's get it started. All right, so the first wood I'm going to show you that I have, and the name of the company is called Sharp Gourmet Cooking Wood. All right, Sharp Gourmet Cooking Wood. They have some really nice woods there. I think they're based out of California. And they really, let me show you this right here. Right, they really do appreciate your business. They send you a card, or at least I got a card, and they wrote a little something in it. And then they also sent me a sticker, and I definitely will be using this sticker. Check it out. Pretty cool, huh? That's right. And then they also sent me a pen. I'm always losing pens, but I'm gonna try my best and hold on to this one. All right, so first, I'm going to show you this wood. All right, now this is peach wood. Comes into a nice size bag. You can order different sizes. All right, and it comes with instructions on how to use the woods and everything if you're not too familiar with using wood to smoke with. I have a Traeger that I use my pellet, different flavors on the pellets, but I also have my old school Kingsford charcoal grill, and I also have the big stand-up tall grill as well, with different racks on it and stuff. So I'll definitely be using my Kingsford with these right here. All right, so this one is the peach chips. It has a slightly sweet, woodsy flavor, and they say that it's good for chicken, turkey, pork, fish, and beef. All right, so that's this one right here. Leave some comments down below and let me know if you've ever cooked with it, and if you have it and you're curious to find out something to try on it and you don't have any peach wood, let me know. I'll give it a try with mine, all right? Oh, and the next one, I'm really excited about this one. Avocado chips. That's right. Avocado chips. Never used it before, but I'm very excited to find out about the flavor with this. They say it's a medium flavor and it's good with beef, pork, and poultry. All right, avocado chips. And the next one I'm also very excited about. I told you I'm excited about these chips. All right, is Grape Chips. That's right, grape. Never thought about cooking with grape chips or avocado chips or peach chips. Now I am. All right, and so with the grape chips, it says it burns hot and smoky, has outstanding flavor, it's good with lamb, seafood, and beef. That's the grape chips. And then this one I'm excited about as well. This is the olive wood chips. All right, olive wood chips. All right, so these, I heard these are really good with pizza. The Italians in Italy, I suppose, they use a lot of olive wood chips. I'm so excited to try this. All right, can't say it anymore. I'm excited. All right, so with olive wood chips, it's Italy's favorite cooking wood. It's good at pizza ovens, lamb, pork, and beef. All right, so I'm definitely going to be trying that with some pizza. And then we have, I'm very excited about this too, is the almond chips. That's right, almond chips, y'all. All right, and the almond chips has a sweet and smoky flavor. It's good with beef, pork, poultry, and sausage. Wow. Yeah, I'm definitely going to try something on that one. All right, so there you go, guys. Make sure you check them out. The name of the company is Sharp Gourmet Cooking Wood, based out of California. Look them up online on their website, and show them some love. Tell them that Jay sent you there from the Yummology channel on YouTube. All right, guys, I look forward to your comments. I look forward to cooking with you, and I look forward to sharing all these great flavors with you as well. I'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and set your notifications so you get notified every single time I put out a new video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.